Listen, man, listen. How are y'all doing today, man? I hope y'all are doing well, because I'm feeling good, feeling healthy, feeling strong. So I hope y'all are doing well. But today, man, we got Led Zeppelin Black Dog. Now, people been hounding me, telling me to come listen to this song right here because it's fire. It's next level. And they think that I'm really going to enjoy it. I'm like, bro, I enjoy every Led Zeppelin song. Every one. This going to be no different, I bet. So I'm going to check it out and see what it sounds like. We already know, though, that's going to be fire, so let's check it out.
Hey, mama said the way you move gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. The way you shake that thing gonna make you burn, gonna make you sting.
Hold up!
Hey, baby, when you walk that way, watch honey drip, can't keep away.
Hold up! Bruh, nah. Led Zeppelin, bruh. I'm not gonna lie. They got some of the most bluesy, funky songs, bruh. Like, the man's voice is just spectacular. I think his name is Robert Plant. Bruh. Man built different. He built different, I'm not gonna lie.
Be a star. I don't know, but I've been told a big leg woman ain't got no soul.
A big leg woman ain't got no soul, bro. Hold up. Bruh, I'm starting to really understand why so many people say Led Zeppelin is the best band ever, bro. I'm starting to really see every song that I listen to has been fire. Next level. I love it, bro. I love it. crazy as hell, bro. Not gonna lie. Listen, man, listen. This right here is fire as hell. And I just wonder how people felt when this song first came out. Like, how did people feel? How did they take this in? Was they like, man, it's crazy? Or was they like, man, we used to this from Led Zeppelin. We used to this because, bro, this is some fire music. This is fire music. You just gotta enjoy good, fire, next level music like this because it's just so good, bro. It's just so good, man. It's so good. But I be seeing some people in the comments, bro, talking so crazy on an everyday basis. People like, yo, I hate heavy metal. It's so trash. I hate hip hop. It's so trash. I only listen to this. Like, bro, get out of here, bro. Get out of here, man. We don't value your opinion if you don't understand good music and you only think it's one good genre, bro. Your opinion is so invalid, bro. It's just so invalid and you're lacking in so many areas. But the people that enjoy this and they enjoy hip hop and they enjoy heavy metal, come over here, man. Come rock with your brother, man. You feel me? Because this right here is fire. It's next level. And I'm a fan of Led Zeppelin. I've realized why people saying that they are the greatest band ever. I see it, bro. Every song I heard been fire. I ain't heard a song yet where I was like, no, bro. Every song been fire. Next level, and I really enjoy this. This is gonna turn out 10 for me and an A+ for me. Led Zeppelin, go get that for me. But man, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I am out.